Yo guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit this inside of KineMaster. Alrighty guys, welcome back. So basically what I want to do here is I'm going to be practicing a new technique on how to build a scene. I watched a video from Brandon Lee, and Brandon Lee talks about basically taking, your best shot, which most of us do. I do this all the time. I just take my best shots and line them up. Well, taking that and making a scene.
A man releasing an eagle, that's a shot. A man going hunting is a scene. A tram going down the road is a shot. A man starting up a tram is a scene.
This is my money shot right here, this picture of the cherry blossom. And what I want to do is basically build a story around this cherry blossom shot. I was walking, we saw the bullet train, and then I was walking, we walked through the city, then I saw the bush, and then I grab a shot of the bush, and that'll be like the climax of the video, and then I'll end there. So again, versus just me showing the shot, I'm telling a story about how I got to the shot, and then maybe after. So you basically have the build up, the climax, and then the down or the falling down from the story. So just to try to, again, story is king. So let's get into this quickly here. And I wish I would have thought about this before I shot these shots, but I didn't. I was just grabbing shots, like I normally do. So again, this is my climax shot, and I want to build up to that. So I've already had some music that I downloaded off of Artlist, which again is a fantastic source. If you guys are looking for music that's license free, you can use it in movies, YouTube, anything. And it's good. You're okay. Definitely take a look down below. I'll have a link down in the description for you guys. You can get 2 additional free months on that. So enough of that commercial and jibber jabber. Let's get into me editing this up. So what I'm going to do is I like to bring my music in first. Now that I have the song loaded, I want to find the peak in the song where a lot of energy is going. Again, this is going to be anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds because it's going to be, like I said, an Instagram story or a YouTube short. So I want to get straight to the point. Boom. And the reason I like doing editing these shorts now is because it helps me edit and helps me practice editing at a fast pace, which we really need to do if we're going to be doing these shorts. We got to grab their attention in 3 seconds. The first 3 seconds of the video, we really got to grab them. So there is one point of the song right about here. The song starts to diminish. And I know visually already I want the flower to be there and then the music slowly fading out. So I'm going to go ahead and trim off this back part of the song because I don't need this far deep into the song. We'll go ahead and trim that, trim to the right. Okay, now I just basically need to line this song up to where I want it to be. And basically I'm just going to use the song as a tempo, boom, boom, to get my cuts, and then I'll line it all up at the end. So the first opening shot here, I'm just going to use this fence. It's kind of like looking straight down the line. Above me is the actual railway track for the Japanese Shinkansen for the bullet train. And the beginning part is a little bit it's like a slow build up. That's not going to happen. We need to get in quickly because it's, again, like I said, it's a YouTube short. So I'm going to kind of scroll all the way down to more the meat of the song. This might actually, you know what? That's about 30 seconds. That's about 33 seconds the way I have it pulled out right now, which is not bad. I would like to shoot for 15 seconds. All right, so right off the back, we have a lot of energy coming in on this song. And one other thing, let's see what we can do here. I do want to add in my fades on the audio. Audio fade start is about 2 seconds, and then it's about 2 seconds on the way out, which would be nice on the way out. It can be longer. So I think I'm going to jump right into that, and we're going to cut straight right there. So let's go straight to it. Boom. So it's like ramping up, boom, and then we switch to the next shot. Again, the first second, we're already trying to grab their attention. Okay, that works. I don't like how I was standing and then I moved, but oh well. Boom. Then I'm going to kill it on the next. Right about here, I'll go ahead and cut to the right. Good. So I ramped in here with a boom, da da dum. And now what I think I want to do, we got boom, da-da-dum, and I show the Japanese train. I have another shot of me, actually, when I basically was passing by the entrance to the train station, this shot here. So we got the train and then the train station. Maybe we're getting off the train here. Again, just trying to build a story out of a bunch of random clips, because story is king, guys. Story is how you keep people's attention. Story, especially if you're making YouTube videos, is how you get that viewer duration. How do you keep them watching more of your video? And of course, the YouTube algorithm loves that. Okay, so okay, I like that. We got the train station. We don't need to be there too long. Just go. Boom. It only takes your eye. It only takes a human eye about a second to realize where it's at and what it's looking at. So that's long enough there. So boom, boom. And I'm going to keep that pacing right now. Dun, dun, boom, dun, dun, boom. I'm going to try to keep that pacing going, keeping energy inside of the edit. Okay, now we don't want to keep it because it's going to get repetitive and everybody knows what we're doing now. So now this one I might hold a little bit longer than the last few. Now, I moved and then I stopped and I moved. That's why it's important when you're moving your camera. If you're going to do it, if you're going to do a pan, go ahead and commit to it and stop. I was kind of like, I don't know what I want to shoot, because I didn't think about my subject before I hit record. That's what my main fault was in this shot here. And what I'm going to do is just kind of inch it forward to where this girl kind of passes through the shot there. Let's kind of cut it about right there, trim to the left. We'll hold on her. Boom. And then we'll cut there. Okay, let's see how this feels. Because we're going boom, 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 boom. And then we might go back in. Let's see. Okay, that feels a lot better. That feels a lot better there. Now we're into this alleyway, which is right next to the flower that I want to show here. So what we're going to need to do here, again, here's just the alleyway, right? But check this out. There's a guy who passes by on his bike. I think that's going to just make it a little bit more interesting. You know, boom, boom, he passes by, just get some action, the action in the shot. I think that might work out better. What other shots do I have back here? Oh, we have the walking. Let's put the walking feet in before that. I forgot about that. Let's bring the walking feet. So it's kind of like after we saw the girl and then we start walking. Boom. It's kind of like time has passed. You know, we've been walking for a while. Okay, I don't like the way that comes in. For some reason, it doesn't feel good to me. Let's kind of come in more with my foot just about right there. A lot of editing too. Like sometimes if it doesn't feel right, guys, just work it till it feels right. And then I'm going to end again on that foot there. Let's see how that feels. Like a full walk cycle. Trim to the right. Let's see how the walking feels. Okay, that feels good, a little walking cycle. So let me kind of see what we got going here from the beginning. Okay, he rides his bike. He comes in about, I like how the range streak comes in there too. Let's get that range streak. Trim to the left there. He comes in about there. Well, that kind of happened fast. And then the end, I didn't like the way it ended. Dun, dun, boom. Dun, dun. Let's see if we can find a beat in the song. I think, boom, maybe right here we can end this clip. Trim to the right. So let's see what we got here. Oh, that felt a lot better. I think I might want to extend this foot step one more to another foot cycle. To maybe there. Okay, that helps a lot. That helps a lot to get on the musical trigger there. Watch. Dun, dun, boom. Now, I will go ahead and now let's possibly see if I can throw in my my cross dissolve. I really want that cross dissolve to come in on this. No, it's just so long. Boom. And then we'll cut it again there because we've been looking at that plant. We don't need to look at it too long. And then we're gonna go from a wide shot. Now we're gonna go into a medium. And this, I do move forward a little bit on this, which is cool. So let's get that movement. And look, we got this flower here in all out of focus, and that's our subject there in the background right there. So this shot might be really cool, really dynamic. All right, and let's see how much we can get out of this. Now I might be able to sneak in my transition here. Let's go to my cross dissolve. 1 second. And that was a little too fast. Oh, there it is. The music on that point right there too. You hear the music. The music goes wham, and then the cross dissolve kind of kicks in there. That lines up. We got an audio cue with it too. That we finally got in it. And then the next one, I'm also going to lead into another cross dissolve into the close up right there. Boom! On that hit, on that accent, we'll go ahead, trim this. There is a point in the shot that I do like the movement. There's some movement right here. I start to move. So like, let's kind of go from there. Let's go ahead and trim to the left. Again, I was just holding the phone and just kind of just doing one of these here. I was handheld on all these shots here. And now let's also see if we can throw that transition in. Same one, just a crossfade. And this time I want it to be a little bit longer. See if we can push to 1.5. Oh, guys, you got to hit that like button for that, please. That was epic. That is cinematic right there. That is the, I love the way that felt. Let's see what this looks like here. I hope you are happy with that. But that was cool. Again, this is my first attempt trying to practice this, Brandon. I want to see if I can bring that clip up for you guys right now because it's powerful what he talks about. If you're not following Brandon Lee's channel, please follow his channel because he is when I first started vlogging, when I first started my channel, after watching his videos, I moved away from vlogging and really wanted to start focusing on just doing like really cinematic type of stuff, you know. And that was what really pushed me away from just doing daily vlogging because vlogs are cool, but if you're not really known, nobody really cares about your life or wants to see, you know. So that's my number one tip. If you want to start a YouTube channel or something, vlogging is not the best way to go about it. Remember, people come on to YouTube to want something, how to learn something. They're not coming on Patrick Levar vlogging. Nobody's searching that. Trust me. Nobody's searching to watch a vlog about me. So enough of my jibber jabber. Patrick Levar, keep filming. Links will be down in the description. Also, don't forget this Friday, if you guys are watching this, I will be on MoZA doing a live stream with MoZA, and we're talking about gimbals. So if this has already happened, please, I hope you watched it and enjoyed it. So catch you in the next one. Keep filming. Peace.